There's the engine area. That's what it looks like inside. And it is under that cover and that cover. All right, we secure that. That goes on top. This goes on top of that. And there's a little storage area. Brakes look fresh fluid. Here's the battery under the hood. The other battery is in an area we can't get to. Battery test. It's a 570. Alright, it says it's a good battery. When you do open the hood on the front, you have to pull these two things. There's one on each side, and it pops the hood open. You grab them with some kind of pliers, is the way it's designed, and you yank it out, and it pops. You got to pop the right and the left. I'll show you where the other pop is. I'm not sure if you're aware of that. Here's the other one. And there's usually a cover over them, but they're not there. Looks like all the parts are factory under here. I don't see any signs of accident. Then you just push down on the corners until it clicks. That's how you do the hood. There's your charge port. And it does have that protective covering too. All right, here's under the front. Got some scratches there from maybe hitting a curb or something, like a parking stop. That's what it looks like. That's the turbo. I don't see any fluid leaking.